Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over how to recode a variable using SPSS. So sometimes you find yourself in a situation where you have a variable that is coded in a way that you don't really like. And this is the case for the variable excited or excite. The variable excite is the respondent's level of excitement about the course. This is a categorical variable that ranges from 1, strongly disagree, all the way to 5, strongly agree. Now, I don't love the way this variable is coded because I really don't know what the difference is between strongly disagree and neutral. Nor do I know the difference between agree and strongly agree, right? And so what I really want to do is recode the variable excite. I want to recode this into a second variable that we can call excite2. This variable will be coded in a better way. I like to have two categories particularly, right? One in which one will be not excited and two is excited about the course. This variable is much simpler, and I think it will make more sense. And so the way that we're going to do this is that before you get to SPSS, whenever you are going to recode a variable into another variable, you should write them out, lay them out like this, and decide how it is that you're going to recode it. In my case, I want to, I want to go, let's go each category per category. So if you score a 1, strongly disagree to the statement, I'm excited about the course, I'm going to put you down as not excited. If you disagree, I'm also going to put you down as not excited. If you're neutral, obviously you were not excited, so I'm going to put you down as not excited. However, if you agreed with the statement, I'm excited about taking this course, then obviously you are excited, and strongly agreed, you are excited also. And so when this is really important because this is what I am going to be inputting into SPSS so that SPSS can do the recoding for me. So let's go to SPSS and do this. So to recode a variable, you are going to go to transform. You have two choices here. You can recode into the same variable or you can recode into a different variable. Always choose recode into a different variable because that allows you to keep the original variable. So recode into a different variable. Now in this window, you have the variables that you can recode. Here you have the input variable. The input variable is your original variable. The output variable is the variable that you will be recoding. So what is SPSS is going to ask you, what is the input variable? So let's enter the input variable. The input variable is the variable excited. So I'm going to bring it in. Now SPSS has a question mark here saying, can you please tell me the name of the output variable, of the new variable? And we can input the name here. And that name is going to be excited2. And you can create a label for such variable. So it's going to be a recode of excited. You click on change. And now SPSS knows that you want to take this variable called excited that is in the data and transform it into a new variable called excited number 2. But now SPSS needs to know what values are going to fall into the new variable. And so you're going to be clicking in all and new values. So here you have the values of the original variable or the old variable, and you have the values of the new variable here that you have to input. So as we agreed or discussed in the beginning of the video, if you score a 1 in the old variable, I'm going to put you down as a 1 or not excited in the new variable. If you scored a 2 in the old variable, I'm going to put you down as still not excited in the new variable. And if you score a 3, which stands for neutral in the old variable, you're still going to be put down as a 1 or not excited in the new variable. However, if you scored a 4 in the old variable, I'm going to put you down as a 2 or excited in the new variable. If you scored a 5, which is strongly agree in the old variable, I'm going to put you as a 2, meaning excited in the new variable. So now you have essentially told SPSS exactly this, right? So you're going to click continue, okay, And if you look at the output, this is the code that you just ran, and it says execute, which means that it is done. So what do you do now? The first thing that you need to go do is take a look at the data set, right? And if you look at the last column, you're going to see the new variable called excited2, and you have either one of two values. You have 1 and 2s. But of course, you're not done here yet, right? Because you still have to assign a value or a category, or you have to assign a value to each category. So if you look here, excited number 2, now you're gonna go to, this is the label, is recode of excited. You already know this, but you are not yet done. You still have to add the values. So for 1, we agreed that it was going to be not excited. And 2, we agree is going to be excited. Now you're going to click OK. Now you are going to go to missing and also put if 999 equals missing. If I can get the right button. So 999. Click OK. So now the variable is done. So let's go and get a frequency table for this new variable. So you go to descriptive statistics, frequency, and you go all the way down. You should see excited2. Click OK. And here you have the breakdown for the new variable excited2.